my name is Francesca D and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some traditional pancake day pancakes. Now these are more like a crepe rather than a stack type of pancake, and this is how I remember it when I was a kid. I've tried so many different recipes without using an egg and it's been so tough, but I finally nailed it and this is the recipe. I'm so excited to share it with you.
So first of all, you want to get 150 grams of plain flour and just sieve that into your bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of caster sugar and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I made a well in the centre, a little bit premature, because I needed to add half a teaspoon of salt. You want to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil into 300 millilitres of water. This water doesn't need to be hot or cold, it doesn't really matter. Just give it a stir and then pour it into the well. And then you want to get your handheld mixer and give it a really good mix until it's all combined. Once you're happy with the batter consistency, just pour it into the jug because it makes it that bit easier when you're pouring it into the pan. It's a good idea to have your pan on ready, and you can either use coconut oil or fry light coconut oil. I'm going to use the fry light coconut oil because it gives a really good coverage. So make sure your pan's nice and hot, and then just add the amount of batter that you want, depending if you want it thick or thin or big or small. You'll notice that the edges start to peel away a little bit, so it's a good time to get your spatula behind it and just check, and then when you can get it all the way behind, it's a good time to flip it over.
Is it even pancake day if you don't flip a pancake? I don't think so. I'm gonna flip it. There she is. How easy was that? So quick, so easy, and honestly these taste just like they did when I was a kid and I love them. So one thing that I really like to put on my pancakes is lemon, and I also really like to put sugar. I'm going to put some maple syrup instead. And here I've got some frozen raspberries and frozen blueberries that have just defrosted, but they are so tasty, and also banana goes really, really well on your pancake. But these are more crepe type, so you can roll them. So if you get everything on one side, and then you can give it a good roll. Oh my God, it looks so good. You could always put a little bit more drizzle of maple syrup. You could put some nuts on there, it'd be so tasty. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. It's so fast and so easy to make, and also you don't have to keep the batter in the fridge the night before, which I used to hate my mum doing. She always kept the batter in the fridge the night before pancake day, and I would just be begging her, please can we make the pancakes now? But you don't have to. So if you find that you haven't got enough, or you're just short on time and you've got all these ingredients, you can just blitz it, throw it in the pan, and then you've got your pancakes. And it depends just how thick or how big you want to make your pancakes. This makes about 4 thick pancakes and about 6 thin pancakes. But if you do decide to make them, please do tag me in your pictures. My name's @FrancescaD just about everywhere. I'll put the links in the description, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, bye!